Right, Range Rover Sport L494 mirrors. We're going to do a couple of videos on the mirrors. Now this first video is just going to discuss mirror caps and covers, and we're going to show you how to take the mirror cap off, and instead of going to the effort of unclipping a cap, there's a simple stick-on cover that we'll go through. Another video that we'll do, Ian will do the pointy thing, and we'll show you actually how to remove your mirror from the door if it's completely broken and you need to change it. We'll go through that. Right, so this one, mirror caps and covers. So basically you've got two choices. So your mirror caps often get, if another car comes and you pass, you can damage these. Trees and that can scratch them if you live in a rural area, little narrow lanes. So a lot of people will fit covers because they get scratched. So we got one here, so we sell these as a set of mirror covers. There we go. We're going to get these in carbon. We haven't got them in at the moment. I've got those coming. And basically they've got double-sided tape, as you can see. What you would do is clean the mirror cover with an alcohol wipe just to get rid of all the polish and residues on here, and then basically you'll remove the tape and stick this on. They do fit, and with any stick-on stuff, always try it before you pull the tape off, because otherwise you'll find it's the wrong one. And there are lots of different mirrors, but the Range Rover Sport, they're all the same. But there we go, so that's how the cap fits. It still leaves the light exposed. This is your little indicator light here. That's a fairly neat fit. It does leave the rim at the front the same, but I don't think there's a lot of choice in that really. But there we go, that's a good cover to cover up any damage you've got on there, and that's an easy fit. Right, the other option is you can actually, and Land Rover have designed these so you can clip these off. So these haven't actually come off yet, we haven't taken them off, but I'm going to have a go at taking them off now. And basically the mirror cover, the top half, just comes backward. So I am going to put one hand on this side and try and pull this corner, and I'm going to give this side a bit of a knock that way, and hopefully that'll do it. Let's have a go. Whoa, he's not coming. Right, let's try a different approach. Let's try pushing. Oh, he's not having it, is he? Right, let's rethink that. Right, so we've been pretty unsuccessful at that. So we've got another set of mirrors here where the mirror cover is quite loose, and it looks like there's a little cutout here. Can you see that little area there? So we're going to try and see if we leave her in there, whether that helps us. So we'll give it a push and try and get in that little gap. So let's have a look. We've got a little lever tool, and let me lift up. There you go. Right, so that's so there we go. So that is how to get those off. Now there's a couple of little tabs there, but there we go. But they come off that way, and I think that's your best way in. If you can get with a little tool in there, that's your best way. So the new mirror covers should go back on like so. Let me just have a look. You've got to make sure you're on your, and they should go pretty close, and then that's it. So there we go. Not the best video, but that's how to change the mirror covers on your Range Rover Sport.